welcome to Cooking with Michelle. On today's episode, we're not cooking. We're actually going to Michelle's Corner, a new thing we're introducing here at the studio. Now, today in Michelle's Corner, we're having a special guest and kind of a tutorial. We're going to teach you how to be a crazy cat lady with the Crazy Cat Lady Starter Kit. And coming in live from her house, she's not really anyone famous. Coming in live from the back of my stage is the Crazy Cat Lady! Hello, Crazy Cat Lady. You have anything to say to us? She said, I'm happy to be on the show, Michelle, and I want to show you guys my cats. That was something. Crazy Cat Lady, we have a present from you, from the staff at Michelle. A cat notebook. Even meows when you open it. Paul, you okay? Did you hit your foot?
Yes.
Oh, I'm okay.
I sat on a cat.
Alright. So, are you going to teach us how to be a crazy cat lady? She says, yes, follow my simple steps and you'll be a crazy cat lady in no time. Alright, Michelle. Crazy cat lady. I'm not used to working with people, so I like to talk to myself in third person. Yeah. Okay, come on, stand up. So, is there some sort of starter kit you can buy at the store? She says yes. And I'll be showing a picture of that at the end of the show. And for now, she'll be telling us how to be a crazy cat lady. So what's step one of being a crazy cat lady? She says you need a lot of cats. Step two? You gotta have the look. Let's have a little fashion model here. Can we get some music, please? Come on, Paul, cue us some music. Hello? Here. Let's see what some runway moves here. Runway! Come on, model. Turn around. Pose. Turn around. Come on. Show some of those moves off. Come on. Yeah. You can be my friend. I want to be a singer when I'm older. Alright. So, these are some of the accessories of a crazy cat lady. Step 4. You gotta have cats to throw. Can you demonstrate? Here's one of your cats. Paul, are you okay? I made you scream like a girl.
Oops.
Paul, I told you to work on that.
Sorry.
Okay. Well, thank you for being on the show. Do you want to talk to the crowd for a second? I gotta do something. And this is a picture of the Crazy Cat Lady Starter Kit. our cats here. Alright, well, it was a pleasure having you, and now we all know how to be a crazy cat lady. Not that we want to. Alright, here's a token of gratitude. Not that. Here. And don't forget your notepad. Crazy cat ladies like to get their nutrition. Say goodbye. Okay, well, this is goodbye now. Thank you for coming, Crazy Cat Lady. And that was Cooking with Michelle and Michelle's Corner. Thank you, everyone.